So I just bought exhaust. I was gonna buy it on eBay, but the eBay stuff is like $500-600 for like a Flowmaster or something like that. But I found a guy locally on like a Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace type of deal, and he sold it to me with headers, like Iroc headers, for like $190 for everything. So I grabbed that. So now I'm here at Apex Automotive, and we're gonna see if it fits, if we have to do headers. So join along in the process, and I'll keep you guys updated.
Hey guys, JT at Apex Automotive. This is the exhaust system that we got to throw on the car. No big deal, looks like a pile of parts. It is, but we've got some Iroc headers here that are slightly larger than the factory manifold. So we're gonna get the system off and see if we have to go with the headers too, or if we can slap the system on and not have to do headers. Whenever you're doing headers on an older vehicle like this, you're dealing with rusted exhaust bolts, stuff that could break off in the head, scary stuff. So if we can avoid that leg of the journey, we will, because we just want it to sound better. We're not out trying to knock off 2/10 on our quarter mile. So we'll let you know what happens. It didn't break. No going back now. We're going to do a quick test fit of the aftermarket exhaust system with the factory manifolds. Basically the headers, and see if the factory stuff's going to work or not, or if we got to swap out to the Iroc stuff. The design between the two, there's not going to be a whole lot of horsepower difference. The real difference is going to be going 3-inch all the way back with no cap. So we're going to test fit this, see how busy our day's about to get. But yeah, looks like
you gotta have headers. It's different
they're way shorter.
We had an idea to fire it up and see how loud it sounds with with that.
You got it at this point.
Yeah, so we'll do it. We'll show you guys what that sounds like, just for shits and gigs. So we're just gonna leave it like that and then just primer it gray, and then just enter it in some competitions and see what happens, you know?
Yeah.
I think with the looks alone, it's gonna be great. Just kidding, guys. All right, so new plan. I'm going to go to a custom muffler shop here in town called Bill's Mufflers. I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna get a pipe built from the stock manifold or whatever down to where it connects to that exhaust. So that's the plan. It's never as easy as you originally planned. So there's that. So I'll be back tomorrow. All right, so I'm up here at Bill's, and we're taking the muffler and we're cutting like from there off, and he's building a custom pipe to come from my manifolds down to fit that. Then we can put the rest of the exhaust on, and it'll be a lot easier than trying to put headers onto the car, because apparently taking off manifolds on something this old can you can break a bolt inside the block, and then it becomes a lot of fun. There's a guy named Rocky doing it for me today. He's one of the techs here, and so I'm just gonna kind of film his process. I don't know if he'll be talking much, but I'll film his process as we go.
I'm Nate Dizzle, lion, watching over the pack. Go through every scenario, make this is scary. Overflow like an overdose of adrenaline. It's supposed to be medicine, but the uninvited thoughts bring the medicine. It's like, give this to Kevin, when Kevin's not here. I'm home alone in the zone, and I got a different fear. Nothing to spit on the beer, couldn't fix. Temporary assist, couldn't bury this shit till I got up out of the pit. Kick it into rabbit gear, got my hands on the wheel so I had to steer. All I gotta do is pass the fear, cause it holds me up and I'm passing here.
Just met Ricky here. He just got his new Challenger. This paint job is fucking crazy on this thing.
But it weighs like a fatty. The only time that I'm not paranoid is when I'm happy. Being on natty, man, I'm
Good to meet you.
Take care, buddy.
You too. All right, just made it back to Apex. So this will be the finishing touches of the exhaust. Then it'll sound like non-white trash, and I'm very excited for this. All right, so Rocky up at Bill's Mufflers custom bent this pipe for me to go to there, and custom bent this pipe right here for me to go over here. So now we don't have to do headers. We can just go straight back and then plug in the rest of the exhaust here. Heck, a 6-year-old could do it. As you can tell, he's so pumped to be doing this. Look at that pump level 1000. So what we got to do is we got to bolt on the rest of the exhaust to that, and then we're going to tape the rest on to this, and then that's about it.